This is Junk Guys refrigerator removal head cam. There we go. Wait a minute, is it recording? I was putting on the head cam. Just in case we scratch his Volkswagen. His race car. We're gonna make it, man. I got it. You gonna work out on this? We got like 4 more jobs left on the schedule. You think you can move up the Volkswagen?
Yeah, I can move.
Just about 3 feet? No, I wouldn't load it like that. No, it does. I can tell it does. Why don't you go open up the truck, straighten it out, and I'll bring it to you. I'm gonna throw it to you.
Oh shit.
Just make room for it.
Okay.
Is this your race car?
Oh, this thing?
Yeah.
You consider this a race car?
You got racing wheels on it.
Oh, man.
Fast and the Furious Part 10. The Return of Dom. Right there? They'll fit there. Move that crap. The glass. And the door. Where's the wheels on it, man?
Wheels on it. I got it, all you want me to do it.
Yeah, where's the dolly at then? You went to go get a dolly. It doesn't have wheels. It looks like it should, but it doesn't. I was thinking of that too, but then I was like, that's alright. Not having a hard time. They have the Tesla solar fake panels. Look at the Tesla solar fake panels and then the Tesla right here. Right there. La casita. That's what it's called, la casita. Bro, we're struggling here with the fridge. I gotta go to Frisco. Brooke is texting me. She says she's sexy today.
Yeah. See, I got my hair done for her.
What do you, I said she's my girlfriend, bro.
I thought we were still debating now.
Oh yeah, that's right. Is he coming out here? I heard him.
Oh yeah, since you had a dolly.
Yeah. Yeah, because we come prepared with dolly. Oh, there's the wheels.
That's what I thought.
Lean it. Lean it this way.
This way, right?
Okay. Lean it. Lean it and push it. Bad idea. Bad idea. It's stuck.
We can lean a bit forward and then, like, not too much.
All right, go. It's the wheel broken. It's broken on this side. The wheel's broken on one side. It's broken, brother.
No, okay. I rolled it out. It was in the garage.
Mira, look at the wheel right here, bro. It's caught up with something, right?
Probably.
Is there something wrong with it?
There you go.
It's caught with something, right?
I don't know. I guess so.
I see some threading or something. Are you sure you didn't kill a mouse when you moved it out or anything?
No, I didn't know what.
1, 2, 6, 9. Straight up professional. No, man, it does have wheels. Oh, I see what happened.
None of the wheels fucked up, right?
No, none of the wheels are messed up. There's something caught in it, man. It won't allow them to move. You're doing good, bro. I'm coming to help you. You're going right to the direct spot. A little more to the right. A little bit more. Oh, I'd help you, but I'm in the shade. You know what I mean? I'm in the shade. You don't want to ruin my shade spot.
No.
Yeah, look, I'll do the hard part. Let me move the. Yeah, I got the look. I got the hard part. Let me move the dolly. What, man? Does it still work?
Oh no.
What are you left? I'm doing the hard part, bro. What are you talking about?
Way too hard.
Just $45, boss. Yeah.
You take cash out?
Yeah. You tell me when you're ready. That's it. Head cam, bridge removal. Did it all by myself. That's how you do it.